Hello, friends. Today I want to share with you something that has been on my mind for a while. And that is that although what we call the model of reality created by science has created new experiences for us of the world, it is still based on subject object split. And therefore, it is incomplete, like all models are. We who observe the world are also an activity of the world. And Eastern non-dual traditions of the world call this the mistake of the intellect that interferes with our spiritual awakening. As you know, the subject-object split is foundational to all scientific inquiry. And therefore, in my opinion, has created an artificial divide between the observer and the observed. This dichotomy, deeply ingrained in Western thought, has been challenged by Eastern non-dual traditions and some modern scientific perspectives as well. Science as a model of reality has undoubtedly transformed our understanding of the world. It has enabled remarkable technological advances and provided insights into the nature of the universe. However, its methodology inherently relies on separating the observer from the observed, creating a perceived duality that does not accurately reflect the true nature of reality. Eastern non-dual traditions such as Advaita Vedanta and certain schools of Buddhism argue that the subject-object distinction is an illusion or a mistake of the intellect. They posit that ultimate reality is non-dual, where the observer and the observed are fundamentally interconnected and inseparable. This artificial split can indeed interfere with our spiritual awakening. By maintaining a rigid separation between self and the world, we fail to recognize our intrinsic connection to the universe. The non-dual perspective suggests that we are not separate observers of the world, but an integral part of its ongoing activity. Modern physics, particularly quantum mechanics, has begun to challenge the classical subject-object distinction. The role of the observer in quantum experiments and the phenomena of entanglement and non-local correlation suggests a much more complex relationship between consciousness and reality than previously assumed. Overcoming this intellectual divide may require a shift in perspective, one that acknowledges that our embeddedness in the world we observe is part of the world we observe. This holistic view aligns more closely with non-dual traditions and may offer a path to deeper spiritual understanding and awakening. Ultimately, while the subject-object split has been a powerful tool for scientific progress, recognizing the limitations and exploring these other paradigms experientially, I believe, will lead to a more comprehensive understanding of reality and our place in it, and how actually we can be the source of revising current scientific understanding of reality. Let me know if this makes sense. By the way, Digital Dharma is going to be out soon in September. And if you have any queries on this or any other queries on philosophy, theology, science, spirituality, health, or well-being, then ask me on digitaldeepak.ai. And if you have a computer, you'll hear my voice answering you. But even on your phone, you can turn the audio on and hear me answering your questions. And please give me your feedback.